Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming power and getting to the display controls right away. Open Settings System Display or the Action Center. This gives direct access to brightness sliders. If you're on a laptop, press the FN plus brightness keys to instantly change level while you adjust software. Once done, make sure adaptive brightness is visible so you can control it next. You're not just moving a slider, you're choosing the best baseline for color and power use. Next, you'll fine-tune how the panel renders light by checking drivers and control panels. Open Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD settings to adjust gamma, contrast, and digital brightness. This changes how photos and videos look beyond the system slider. Once done, toggle night light or adaptive brightness to manage blue light and power. Make sure to test with real images. If you use an external monitor, use its on-screen display after software tweaks so both devices match closely. Finish by saving your brightness profile or setting a custom power plan so battery and AC behave consistently. Reboot to ensure drivers and GPU control panel changes fully apply. Once restarted, retest sliders and keyboard keys. If brightness still won't change, update or reinstall the display driver, check the monitor's hardware buttons, and run the Windows Display Troubleshooter. These steps resolve most conflicts between software and hardware. If that fails, you may need a firmware or service check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.